Good day, dear students, and we continue our online lessons. So open page 62, and today we are going to have a speaking and listening practice. First of all, let's start with diphthongs. So we have here four of them. First is O, phone. Second is eia, there. And the third is I, nice. And the last one, au, is for brown. Exercise 2 from Pronunciation Bank. Listen and repeat the words in the box, then complete the table. So let's start. Photo, photo, square, square, now, now, like, like. Okay, okay. Town, town. Go, go. Guy, guy. Where, where. About, about. Chair, chair. Mind, mind. So next is exercise 2. Listen to the dialogue. What type of film does Tom choose? Келесі диалогты тыңдаймыз, балалар, және Том киноның қайсы түрін өзіне қарауға таңдап алды. Соны табуымыз керек болады. Мұқият тыңдаймыз, құлақшындарды қолданамыз.
Track 2.16, Unit 5, Speaking, Exercise 2. Hey Caitlin, have you seen any good films recently?
Yes, one or two. Have you?
No. What about this one? Is it any good?
I'd only recommend that if you like really bad musicals.
No, I don't fancy that.
If they had Avatar, I'd recommend that, but I can't see it anywhere.
Yeah, well there's no point in watching it if it isn't in 3D, and I can't do that at home.
No, you're right. It's a great film to see at the cinema. Oh, here you are. You might like this. It's got great special effects.
What's that? Mission to Planet Q. No, I'm not a big fan of science fiction. I'd prefer a comedy.
A comedy? Okay, well, try this one. It's a really funny story. I think you'll like it.
Okay, I'll trust you. Thanks, Caitlin.
No problem. Enjoy it.
Next is exercise 3. Бұл жерде балалар бізде фразалар бар. Қай фразалар ұсыныстарға жауап береді? Кім ол фразалар диалог кезінде айтады? Тыңдаймыз және тексереміз. Және өз диалогтарыңызды тағы бір рет қайталап көрсеңіздер болады.
Track 2.17, Unit 5, Speaking, Exercise 3. What about this one?
I'd only recommend that if...
I don't fancy that.
If they had Avatar, I'd recommend that. You might like...
I'm not a big fan of...
Try this one.
Next is exercise 4, and here we have 3 sentences, and try to find the best correct response to each sentence. So let's try to do it and send your answers to our WhatsApp group.
2.17, Unit Track 2.18, Unit 5, Speaking, Exercise 4. 1. I'm not a big fan of musicals. 2.
Try this one. It's a really funny story.
3. I think you'll like this one.
Next, exercise 5. Think of good and bad films and books that you know. Complete the table, then ask and answer with the partner. Сонымен балалар, келесі тапсырмада біздер сендер ойланып көруің керексің боласыңдар. Қандай жақсы немесе нашар кино көрдіңіздер, немесе кітаптар бойынша. Сол туралы кішкентай диалог құрастырып, жазып суретін WhatsApp тобымызға жіберуді ұмытпаңыздар. I think we finished with our video lesson, so let's go back to our WhatsApp group to check our answers. See you back in WhatsApp group.